the Zomboss cooking show. Today we're going to be making chili bean peas, also known as chili bean balls, also known as... Yes! First I want to grab a chili bean. Oh wait, hang on, actually I forgot a step. First make sure they're dead. You could use live ones, but I prefer dead ones. Then you just want to... Yes. Now you can take out the lid, but I prefer to leave it in for the extra crunch. And then you take your chili bean and then just... Alright, once you have gotten the juice, you can throw away the carcass or use it for later, or eat it as a snack. And you take the juice, which you then want to put in your cooking pot. And then take a pea. Throw it in as well. Go back for the chili bean. Boil. Alright, so then you want to take it. Just put it in your microwave. Set it to 3,000 degrees Kelvin and just let it set for 3 minutes. Alright, we must wait. You know, if I was cruel, I would put in an average. Welcome to Zomboss Facts. Today we're going to be learning about lettuce. Now, do you know that lettuce poults, or cabbage poults, their leaves can be substituted as parsley. So, yeah. Next time you are eating your SpaghettiOs, and to put your SpaghettiOs down, remember you can use this as parsley if you like. I'm a walnut and I'm alive. I'm a walnut and... excuse me, what are you doing in my Alright, now when that's done microwaving, you want to take it out. Just neatly put it on the ground. And now look, you have chili bean peas. Now, if you want to put them somewhere proper, you need spaghetti can. Okay, gently. There we go. Then you just want to put these in. Yay. Now, of course, just because it looks appetizing does not mean we can confirm it's good. So that's why we're going to give it to you. Would you like some food? Here, eat this. Okay. What was in that? Oh, you know the usual, just chili beans and peas, you know, they're delicacy. So now you know how to make chili bean peas. Yeah.